Alright, good morning. Today, we're going to take the cab off in the 69 Chevy pickup that we got in the shop so we can do some welding on the front of it and stuff and underneath. So, before we can do that, we got to make a cart that we can set the cab on, bolt it down. Then we'll use that to go to the paint shop and everything else when we're done. We can roll it around the shop here. So, as you can see, we got some metal. And we're going to cut this up along with another one or so and build us a cart. So I'm quite sure you guys don't want to watch me do that. So through the miracles of modern science, there we go. All done.
I think we got some warpage, Ward.
Yeah.
Yep, this corner rose up and let it off. And I mean, enough to notice.
We got our work cut out for us. Yeah. Alright. So we got it all unbolted. All four of them. We didn't. He did. Correct that. Yeah, we're ready to go back. We in neutral?
Yeah. That's probably a good spot to work with.
Yeah. Good as any, I guess. Alright, we're getting ready to sling the cab off the chassis. It's all unbolted, as you've seen. So, instead of putting it on the lift, picking it up off using the lift, we're going to use this method. Are we ready? Let's go up.
You alright?
Yeah.
You got it. Maybe do one at a time for safeties.
Might wanna.
Just
nose heavy.
a touch front heavy. I think it'll be okay.
And that's how you do it. Now you're going to move the camera.
Way. I'm going to bring the chassis right back forward.
Yep. Okay.
Looks good. I'm going to bump it this way. Quite a bit, actually.
Pick it up with a jack, move it over.
Yeah, we need to.
Get it out of the way for now. Alright. That was exciting, eh? There she is, all by our little lonesome. Now we're going to get a setter on the cart that we built. So, you want to move it back a little more?
Yep. Yeah, we're going to go back 2 feet.
We got room to work on both.
Okay. We'd probably come down at least one notch, and then we'll bolt the cart up. I can hold it up and get the bolts through.
Or we put a jack under it, jack it up.
Or that, and then lift it off. I mean, lower it all together.
Yep.
Because we don't have a smooth lowering situation.
No.
But yeah, let's come down one notch at least. Yeah, we're 3 inches below the front ones. So we need to find, did you find bolts?
No, I hadn't looked yet.
Okay. Well, let's, the front's located. We can come down another notch.
Yeah.
We can come down probably 2 more notches. That's just a bunch of thread noise.
Yeah.
That's going to set it on it. So we can just bump it around. Almost set it on it.
About an inch.
Which is good for line up and such. Yeah, we're on it, but just barely, so that's good. Yeah, I see corner daylight, so we just gotta bump it over a smidge.
All right, we got her mounted. We'll finalize it. Get her off the crane. And we can go to work. All right, we got her all off the chassis, sitting on the cart, all bolted down, ready to work on. As you see, we've got question mark, question mark. We don't know if we're going to fill them. Anything in red, along in here and here, up in here, we're going to fill. He wants to smooth the whole thing. Now, anything in black, that's going to stay. Here we got to put a hole here, add a hole for the washer tube. It used to run up along here in the front, and we're going to put it up in behind here. So one less thing you're going to see. But now that we have it sitting on the stand, we got some work ahead of us. The individual that done this cab before, as you can see, he liked seam seal, but he didn't like to weld. So he just tacked stuff on, put seam seal over it, and little plastic filler and call it good. No, that's not the way we're going to do it. We have holes up in here we got to fix. We got holes down in here we're going to repair. All of this corner, the windshield. Now they put a couple new sections of floor in. The front section on both sides. However, over here they left holes. So we're going to have to take care of that too. And this here, they've done a crappy job. We're going to repair that. Just little things, but there's a lot of little things that add up to a lot of work. So, you can see they didn't really do a nice job on things. So we're going to work our way through it, take it one bolt at a time, I guess. Redo things. Yeah, here's a cute item. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know what it shows up better on camera, but yeah, we'll just throw some goop on it and call it good enough. So, and underneath is horrible. They didn't clean crap, except where they were going to weld a little bit. The little bit of welding they did do. So, I got to hammer and dolly this back out. You see where it's separated in here, up along in here. We'll straighten that. So, and all these little divots from the spot welds, all got to be filled in. He wants the firewall nice and clean. Now around back, go around this way. Now this is one of their welds here. Horrible job. They've done a pretty good job back here. But what's under the primer, we don't know. But we'll find out. Alright. I thank you guys for watching. We got our work ahead of us. So stay tuned for more.